What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Well, today, man, we're actually out with the fam, man. We're out here with my cousin who is leading the pack. Then we got my son. Then we got my brother-in-law Gabriel, and then my cousin's son Seth is behind me. And so we're out here. We're gonna do a little morning breakfast run, man. And just real quick before it starts getting too daggum hot. But I'm actually, during this video, I'm gonna do, this video is gonna be the, I got nominated to do the Motovlogger shout out challenge, right? So, I actually got nominated twice. So the first person that nominated me was my boy Fat Boy R6. And make sure y'all go check out his channel, man. He ended up nominating me here a little while ago, and so I hadn't had a chance to do it yet, so I'm doing it today. But go check him out, man, my boy Fat Boy R6. And then also I got nominated by Panda Nation. Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Sister got me in the family. Credit cards in the Panda Nation, man. He's a cool cat. Make sure y'all go check him out. Also, he's a younger cat, but he rides a nice looking bike, man. So, and he's doing videos now. He plays softball, slow pitch softball, and so I love that stuff, man. And so I really enjoy them videos. So make sure y'all go check out Panda Nation and Fat Boy R6. I'll leave both of their links down in the description, and everybody else that I'm shouting out today too, man. So make sure y'all check out everybody. Let them know Knuckles sent you, man. And when you do subscribe to their channel, make sure you hit that little notification bell along when you subscribe to this channel. If you have not yet, hit that bell so every time we put out videos, you will know. Alright, so my thing is, I'm old as hell, right? So in order for me to remember things, I have to write them down. So I've got my list wrote down right here. So if I'm looking down, that's why, because I'm looking at my little list. Now we only got to shout out three motovloggers, man. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna shout out the 3 vloggers. And the first 2 are channels that I've actually just started following, man. But so I don't know too much about their channel, but I know I enjoy their content, I enjoy their channel, so that's why I'm giving them a shout out, man. Because anytime I come across a new channel, man, and I really enjoy it, I always try to share it with you guys and let y'all know about it also. So the first one is going to be BubbaTX, man.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to BubbaTX's Motovlogs.
BubbaTX, he's got an awesome channel, man. Make sure y'all go check him out. And I want to say BubbaTX rides, he rides with his pops also, man. He also rides with his family. I think more than just his dad. I think some other of his family members also ride. So that's really cool because, you know, we do the same thing around here. You know, I ride with my son. Again, my cousin now is riding with his son back there, Seth. So it's a cool feeling, man. I love doing it, and I'm really glad that BubbaTX also does the same type of riding, man. So, but so make sure y'all go check him out, man. Second person I'm gonna shout out, man, is Doubleshot Moto. Doubleshot Moto has some awesome footage. He just started vlogging, and so I think he's only got a couple videos up right now, man, but he is super talented on editing his videos. And I think he's even got some drone footage in his latest video. And man, it's amazing footage. So man, make sure y'all go check out Doubleshot Moto. And like I said, man, let them know Knuckles sent you, and and just make sure you hit that notification bell so you know whenever they start to upload videos, man. Now my third and final, man, this is my boy, my buddy, my kinfolk. We hung out already, man. We've rode together already out in Kansas, and so Roadking Jonsey, man.
Taking a fat boy.
Roadking Jonsey, y'all should already know Roadking. If you're new to my channel, you might not, so that's why I'm giving him a shout out. So make sure y'all go check out Roadking Jonsey, man. He also rides a Harley. He's got Roadking, duh, and so he's super cool, man. Super cool, man. And then him and his wife, awesome people. So make sure y'all go check them out, man. Roadking Jonsey, Doubleshot Moto, and BubbaTX, man. So go check them out. Let them know Knuckles sent you. And that's it, kinfolk. I appreciate y'all hanging out, man. I appreciate y'all stopping by. And so I think I'm supposed to nominate somebody to do another Motovlogger shout out video. So what I'm gonna do, I think Miss MotoKari did the same thing, man.
What's going on, you guys? It's MotoKari here.
And I nominate anybody and everybody that wants to do a shout out video, man. It's always great to help out other channels, man, and give them a little shout out every now and then, and help people find their channels, because you know, for us smaller channels, man, it's so hard for people to find our channels because of the way everything works on YouTube, man. So I nominate, again, anybody and everybody, man. So y'all go out, y'all go do a little shout out video if you want to, and that's it, kinfolk. We're gonna go enjoy this breakfast. So until next time, Knuckles out.